if you have not understood fractions in the school, if you have not understood anything in fraction, I'm here to teach you it from the basics. Okay? First, I will show you how the fraction looks. What is the form of fraction? Okay? I'll show you how the fraction looks. Just see the board. Okay? 2 divided by 7. This 2 is called numerator. 2 is called numerator. And 7 is called denominator. 7 is called denominator. Got it? If, say, supposing I write 5 divided by 8. 5 divided by 8. Now, which is the numerator in this? 5 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. So, anything that is written in this form, something divided by something, it is called a fraction. It's called a fraction. Got it? It's called a fraction. Now, that number which is in the denominator, that means that number which is at the bottom is the total. It is the total. And that number which is on the top, that is, it is the numerator. Numerator is part of whole. That means, say, supposing there were 8 chocolates and in a bag, and somebody had 2 out of it. Then we say 2 out of 8 chocolates. 2 out of 8 chocolates. You all must have got your marks some or the other time. Say, supposing somebody got 17 out of 20. That means 20 is the denominator, because how do you write 17 out of 20? Tell me, how do you write? I'll show you how to write 17 out of 20. See. Somebody got 17 out of 20. Your mama is asking you, how much did you score in maths? You will say, I got 17 out of 20. What is this 17? It is the numerator. And what is 20? It is the denominator. Now, from 20, out of 20 total marks, you got 17. You got 17. So this 20 is always, that is, the denominator is always the total. And the numerator is always something that you have scored. Or if I say 3 by 7, that means there were 7 pieces. I ate 3 out of it. Okay. I'll show you another worksheet. Just a second. I'll show you a worksheet so you will understand it much better. Just give me a second. Arrow. This is an arrow. It has got 2 parts, this brown part and the white part. Now I have shaded this one part in brown. That means out of the 2 total parts, see this denominator? Denominator, are you able to see? Denominator 2. Out of the 2 total, I have shaded one part. So the fraction is 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2 is shaded. If you see here, how many parts are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Out of these 5 parts, I have shaded 2 parts. So 2 out of 5 I have shaded. If I see this, it looks like pizza, right? There are how many parts in this? There are 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 parts. Out of these 8 parts, how many I have shaded in blue? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will write 5 out of 8 pieces are shaded. Understood? So denominator is always the total. See here, the total parts is 2. So I have written denominator 2. Here the total parts are 5, so I have written 5 in the denominator. Here the total parts are 8, so I have written 8 in the denominator. And the numerator will be the shaded part. Numerator will be the shaded part. Understood? Now, if you see the other one, if you see the other worksheet, see here. The next concept is, see this pizza. See this pizza. Is this cut equally? Are the parts equal? No, the parts are not equal. One is big, one is small, one is bigger, one is smaller. Here also, this rectangle. It's not equal, right? They're all unequal. So when it is unequal, you cannot write that as fraction. Now, if I shade two parts of it, if I shade two slices, if I shade, and if I say, come on, write the fraction, immediately you should say that, no, we cannot write the fraction for this figure because they are not equally divided. This pizza is not equally divided. One slice is bigger, one slice is smaller. So how can you write fraction? No, you cannot write fraction. Similarly, this chocolate bar, it's not divided equally. So if I shade two parts, I cannot say that as 2 by 5. Because total parts is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I shade two parts, I should write 2 by 5. But 2 by 5 is wrong because they are not divided equally. Did you understand? So, to write something in fraction, that entire thing should be divided equal parts. That should be divided in equal parts first. Only then you can write it in fraction. If I shade 2 parts out of 8 and if I say write the fraction, you should say it is 2 by 8. If I shade 3 parts out of 5, you should say it is 3 by 5. Understood? But the parts should be all equal. They cannot be unequal. So that's the second concept. Okay? So the first thing that you have learned is the top number is called numerator. The bottom number is called denominator. Denominator is the whole. Numerator is the parts that are taken out. Okay? So these are the two concepts that you have learned. Now I will take you through the tougher concepts in the next class. Okay? This is the basics. Next, I'll take you to the advanced concepts of fraction later. But before that, you have to do one worksheet that I'm going to upload below this course. You please finish it and then write your comments. If you're facing any difficulty, I will surely come back and help you. Okay? Till then, please revise it and do the worksheet sincerely without anybody's help. Okay? I'll see you in the next class with the next concept of fractions. Okay? Until then, take care. Bye.